Should I be spending $125 on a skincare line? Will these products actually work for me? Do they all come from the same place? Is there a return policy? Hello, my name is Karen and I need to speak to a manager. Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the channel today. If you're new, I'm Chris Gibson and I am your skincare expert and I'm gonna answer your questions about Kylie Jenner's Kylie Skin skincare line. So if skincare is your thing, please do me a huge favor and subscribe and hit the little notification bell so that you're aware of when my videos come up every week. Otherwise, YouTube won't tell you. So yeah, I know you're all out there shopping for a few thousand of your closest friends, or if you're skincare junkie like me, yourself, which, by the way, there's nothing wrong with that. And we're all gonna be bombarded by all these skincare commercials and skincare products and skincare sales and skincare celebrity lines. And I know that you already know about Kylie Jenner's skincare line, which launched in May, and not without a lot of controversy over her Walnut Scrub, but I will tell you about that in a minute. Kylie is just one of the latest celebrities to launch a skincare line. It's crazy. You have Madonna, you have Lady Gaga, you have Ariana Grande, you have Kourtney Kardashian, you have Khloe. Geez, I wonder what Kylie thinks about that. And you even have Dolly Parton, believe it or not. What the fuck? What is there, some great big skincare lab in the sky that just shits skincare out and celebrities put their name on it, or what? So let's take a look at Kylie Jenner's Kylie Skin and get the reality on these particular products, including the infamous Walnut Scrub. Well, the good news is that all of the news isn't bad. And for all of you guys that are Kylie Jenner fans, please put your claws back and calm down, because I happen to like her too. But it is my job to give you great skincare advice, and that's what I'm gonna do, whether it gets me in trouble or not. Not to mention that many of you asked me to review this line, so really, I'm happy to do it. So let's talk about the line itself. There are 6 items in this particular skincare kit that she has come up with. There's a foaming face wash, the walnut face scrub, or the walnut facial scrub, a milk toner, a vitamin C serum, a facial moisturizer, and the ever-present eye cream. 6 glorious items designed to give you a complete replica of Kylie Jenner's skincare routine. Not even close. Trust me when I say I can promise you that this is no way near the complete skincare routine that Kylie Jenner uses. However, as a skincare routine, it does get to the basics. Plus, it's cruelty-free, gluten-free, sulfate-free, paraben-free, which, by the way, in the skincare community is really the minimum standard that we expect a skincare line to have. So it's not so much of a bonus, but it's good that they do recognize that fact and make sure that their skincare ingredients did include those. All right, so the foaming face wash. I took a look at the foaming face wash and the ingredients, and there's really some good news here. That foaming face wash is botanically based. It is water and glycerin based, which is absolutely the thing I recommend to almost everybody, whether your skin type is oily, dry, or in between somewhere. For a kit like this, that type of face wash is gonna work for a lot of skin types. So again, glycerin, water-based, botanically based, doesn't have any sulfates in it. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I gave that an A. Next, unfortunately, I must talk about the Walnut Scrub. Now, Kylie, I am not sure who sold you on walnut shells as an ingredient, but let's think about this. 1 in 10 people in the entire world has a nut allergy, and walnuts are a tree nut. So right there's a problem. Then we've got shells that have been ground up into particles, and we have had science come back and tell us time and time again that the particles are not micro beads, they're actually little shards, and they actually can tear the skin, or in the skincare community we call them micro tears. That can lead to inflammation, broken out skin, rashes, even increase in acne breakouts. So not a good thing. Bad, not sure where that advice came from, but it's a big problem. Now, if you have oily skin like me, you might be able to get away with a product like that or a scrub like that maybe once a week. But the problem is those scrubs are mechanical scrubs and they're very difficult to manage and judge, and you could really overuse them. And then there's the problem with their advertising. She actually says that she uses that scrub daily. There's no way you can use that scrub daily. Your skin would be raw. So I think she meant either another product, or maybe she uses the kit as a whole, but you cannot use that scrub every day. So I really can't recommend it. I gave it a D-, and the only reason I didn't give that scrub an F, because they should have known better, as much money as she probably spent in research, girl, you need to get your change. But anyway, since she spent that money, they should have known better. But I gave it a D- because they do at least tell you about the nut allergy on the label. So they got that there's a nut allergy and they put it on the label, but they're selling the shit anyway. Okay, next she's included a milk toner. Now I'm not a big guy on toners. You guys that follow me know I like the moistening sprays. The essence spray is better than a toner because toners tend to be kind of problematical for people. And it's really hard to get a toner that doesn't dry people's skin out too much because usually they have alcohol in them. But I'm happy to say that in this particular product, they did a really good job. They included a light AHA in there that's gonna help your skin exfoliate. They also included avocado oil and something I rarely see today, which is castor oil. That's kind of old school, but those two oils are really great oils for skin. And I often recommend them to my skincare clients, especially if they have acne. So as a toner, because it's hydrating, because it has a bit of an AHA ingredient and that it's water-based and glycerin-based yet again, and then they added the oils, I'll give that one an A too, because that's a really good product. And she also included a vitamin C serum, which I'm really kind of excited about because I get excited about vitamin C. And the reason I get excited about vitamin C is because it is one of the few serums that most everyone can tolerate. It's natural, it's been proven to work. It works for acne, acne scarring, acne marks, age lines, spots, you name it. Vitamin C is the go-to product that every skincare routine should probably have in it. No, should have in it. So I really commend them for being forward-thinking and including that. Much like the Drunk Elephant skincare line, it's a very, very integral part of any, it's a very integral part of any great skincare routine. And she also included in the kit a moisturizer and an eye cream, and the ingredient lists are somewhat similar, some different botanical oils in them, but they're both based the same way with water and glycerin as the base. And I gotta tell you, these are really great to see a skincare line of any type that uses these base and doesn't use some other sulfate or something like that. My only negative thing to say about these is they do have cetyl alcohol in them. Cetyl alcohol in them. So alcohol is a problem for a lot of people with dry skin or even combination skin. I know the oils are in there, but I would have preferred to see those products alcohol free. I don't think that's really necessary, especially in an eye cream. But anyway, it's in there. So I gave those products a B-. Now, the reason I didn't give them a B, the amount that you get is very, very small. On the moisturizer, it's less than 2 ounces, and 2 ounces, folks, is not a lot, especially for a moisturizer you're gonna be using every day. You're gonna run out. The other product, which is the eye cream, is less than an ounce. It's 0.57 of an ounce. It's gonna be a really small amount. Now, I will say the kits are not terribly expensive. They're $125, and when you divide that by 6, that's an average of $23, $24 a piece. So expense-wise, not a great expenditure on a skincare product for a routine. And Kylie Skin has the same problem that almost every single one of these celeb skincare offerings, product lines, routines, or what have you, is that they're trying to be everything for everybody. And I can tell you as a skincare expert, it doesn't work. It is so hard to find products that are gonna work for everyone. So when you sell a kit that is basically for all skin types, you've got a real issue with that. So that's one of the things you need to keep in mind. You may buy this and one or two of the items may work well for you and the rest may not. Especially that walnut scrub. That's a big, big problem. But you know what you could do with that one? You could re-gift it to someone you really don't like very well. They're gonna think they're getting a great gift and you're gonna, no, I'm kidding, don't do that. Now, I hope you found today's video helpful and informative because it really is my #1 goal to get you the best skin and skincare routine that you can get. That's all I'm here to do. That's what the channel is all about. So I really appreciate you watching today and supporting it. And please, I hope I don't get killed in the comments for talking about Kylie Jenner's skincare. But anyway, I may or I may not. Otherwise, you've got some good information here, so go out and apply it. Now, I'm also gonna put a couple of videos right over here to help you understand how to exfoliate properly and some great skincare tips. So be sure and go over there and watch those. And thank you so much for watching. Much love, stay beautiful, and I'll see you over on the next two.